Hello everyone. Welcome to introduction of Dr. Indu Mazumdar, one of the resource person for the topic research aptitude, which is a part of unit 2 of paper 1 for NET and SET examination. We'll take a brief look at the profile. First, let us talk about the teaching experience of Dr. Indu Mazumdar. Right now, she is working as a visiting faculty with the Department of Business Management, Rashtrasant Tukodoji Maharaj, Nagpur University. She is there right from the year 2018. She joined there on contractual basis. Right now, she is there as a visiting faculty. Apart from this experience, she is having an excellent blend of teaching to various other business management institutes, including Dr. Punjab Rao Deshmukh Krishi Vidyapit, School of Agribusiness Management. She has also taught to Dr. D.Y. Patil School of Management, Pune, and to one of the Computer and Management Research Institute in Pune. Talking about her industry experience, she is having a good blend of both teaching as well as industry experience. She has worked with many of the professional organizations, including App Infotech Solution Private Limited, as an assistant manager marketing and sale. She has also worked with ICICI Bank Limited as a sales coordinator. Her industrial experience is spanning almost for 4 to 5 years. She is having that industrial experience. Academic and administrative achievement, she is having another mix of both academics as well as administrative. She's been there as a member board of studies, Faculty of Commerce and Management with Datta Meghe Institute of Medical Sciences. She is also subject expert and member board of studies with Sandeep University, Nasik. Apart from this, she has also acted as a resource person at various seminars, conferences, and she was also in charge of Director D.Y. Patil School of Management. Academic qualification, we all know she has done her Ph.D. in Commerce from the Faculty of Commerce. Subject was Commerce. Apart from this, she has done her MBA from Pune University, Nagpur in the year 2001. Journal publications, she has to her credit more than 13 journals which she has published, and the same she has done with national, international and state conferences also. So this is a brief of what the publication work is all about. She has to her credit 4 books which she has authored on the banking and financial management subjects. Those were pertaining to those particular areas. Award, she has won a Best Teacher Award by Rotary Club of Pune and Ajinkya D.Y. Patil University, Pune in the year 2016, which was also done in the year 2015. Additional participation, she has participated in various training programs, then various workshops, national level seminars also. Here is a list of all her participation in various state level and international level conferences. Teaching profile, she is basically a finance faculty. She takes care of most of the subject related to finance, those being investment analysis and portfolio management and financial management. She is also having a good expertise on quantitative marketing research, which is related to the topic which she is going to take, that is research aptitude. Training and placement contributions, she has extensively contributed to that also, for training of the students to build their communication and soft skill. So this is all about our resource person. I hope all of you will enjoy her session. Thank you so much.